Hey guys, and welcome back to another YouTube video of Meows the Kitten. And if you're wondering why there hasn't been a Meows the Kitten episode recently, it's because while he's explored the entire house, there isn't exactly much to show. But so there's a few updates. Like for example, you can notice his food bowl is different. It has a little moat there. It's there filled with water to stop ants from getting into his food because he noticed ants trying to eat his food. And also Amy created this little thing out of a here.
Because I noticed that he liked going in the washing basket, so
Yeah.
I just put some padding on the ground to make it a little bit more comfortable for him. I don't know if it changed much, but yeah.
Oh, also Meows really likes sleeping right on top of his kitten cave. You know, Meows, you're supposed to go in there, not on top of there. Okay, let's just let Meows eat.
And by the way, we bought him this car that had that scratching thing at the bottom, but then Meows just jumped on top of it and completely destroyed it, so we might need to try and fix that.
Yep.
And also,
Yeah, we
we
tried
can tell you
this big bridge thing, but then one day, we ran out of this good duct tape, and we used this duct tape, but it wasn't strong enough, so we had to stop the construction.
and also it fell over.
Then one day, Meows was on the bridge, and then it just collapsed. So we removed it. Yeah. So yeah. The Meows the Kitten videos probably won't be uploaded as often because not exactly much going on, just like small updates and stuff. So yeah. Also, we noticed yesterday that he likes this ball, and he didn't seem to be interested in it before.
And just before I threw it, and then he put it in his mouth and came back to me and gave it to me, like a dog.
Yeah, like that.
You're not a dog, Luke, or a cat. Don't put that in your mouth.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Also, great. Gave us a cat leash. For that she bought for her own cat, but she didn't use it. And so, but it's for an adult cat. So when Meows is an adult, then we can take you outside for walks, even though you may not like that because that's not very common to do with cats.
Hi. You're on camera. What is this?
It is Meows the
Can
Kitten.
you not go in the construction zone? We're trying to build a little shelf for my room right now.
Amy's holding Meows.
Yeah.
Yep. Now let's end the video with Meow just playing with this toy.
Okay, so
Oh yeah, also we discovered that Meows really likes the handle for the toys.
yeah, because I'll show you. This toy, where is it?
It is over.
Oh, yeah, it's there. He really loves the handle for this.
Yeah, let me show you.
He really likes the handle.
Yeah.
And then if I switch to the toy, he's like, I don't care. And
Yeah.
then,
Also, Meows is really good at busting open the small sliding doors like the one in his room. Yeah, not that one. It's too heavy and it's locked.
I'm going to put
I
it in
need
here
to-
and see if he opens it. Bye.
Oh yeah, one.
We'll just see
Yeah.
if he opens it. He probably will.
Oh yeah.
He can do it really easily.
Yeah. Also, guys, is once Amy said that Meows somehow managed to open the door to her room. He jumped up on here,
Let me turn the light on.
and then it went like that. Then he tried to go through, but Amy stopped him because he's not allowed to go.
But he went in, but then I picked him up and got him
Yeah.
out.
Yeah, because Amy is asthma, So, yeah. She doesn't want cat hair in her home.
Before Meows was sleeping, so he might not
Meow.
feel like coming out.
Meow seems completely fine in there.
Nope.
Wait, if we open it... Yep.
Okay, now he's gonna open it. He's gonna open it. Look, that's his little paw, and then he just knows how to open it. He normally does it all by himself, but maybe he just didn't have enough energy because he has been playing a lot today and he just had to sleep, so
You tired?
maybe he was a
Meow?
bit tired. Yep. So, do you want to hold Meows for the outro?
Yep. Sorry, Meows. What? Just thinking
Okay.
of the outro to this video. Okay. Meow says bye.
Bye.